my face with this Nivea moisturizer. I just need a very tiniest bit, not too much. Like, I'm just gonna take this moisturizer on the back of my hand because it's very humid, so you have to use very little amount. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take all of this. I'm just gonna use only this much amount, put it over here, and just warm it up like this, and then split it everywhere. And this is the best way to have the moisturizer, even with the little amount. Okay, I'm gonna use lip balm. I'm gonna use this BB lip moisturizer. So next I'm gonna use this toner, like little bit, but I always recommend toners in summers for oily to combination skin because they are very hydrated to your skin, so that is why it will make your makeup base last longer. More toner you use, more flawless base you will get. Okay, see, now my skin is like very shiny and glowy. You can see the, yeah, okay, so it is merged into my skin really well. So now let's move on to the foundation. First I'm just gonna apply some white base. So I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so that's it for my white base. Next I'm gonna use my new beauty blender. So this is from the brand Just Up, and this is how the packaging came in. And thanks for sending this over to me because these are really good. And this is the Hong Kong brand, so you can definitely check this one. Just look at the beauty blender, and this is non-sponsor video, okay? And just look at the shape of it. I really like it, and it just blends your makeup really well. It's really good. See, it blends really well, and it doesn't soak that much product. Okay, so I like it. You can definitely check this one. And next for my foundation, I'm gonna use this Inside Cosmetics foundation. Okay, the tip is really good for your under eyes and even for your tear dot, so that's the good point. And next again I'm gonna use this Inside Cosmetics concealer. This is in the shade number LN10. This is my correct match, so you can also check this one because it is really good. So I'm using the same beauty blender. This blender is really good. It just blends my foundation really well and looking very flawless. So I highly recommend this beauty blender because it's really good. Like, it's really good. It is also not that much pricey. You can definitely invest in this one. And if you are a professional makeup artist, you need your makeup to be to be flawless like me, so you can definitely check this beauty blender because it is really good. I'm liking it because my makeup is looking really flawless. So they also sent me this brush set, so it is really good. Like, it is having 14 pieces of brushes, which is good. And I'm gonna use these brushes in this makeup tutorial. It is having all that of face brushes, eye brushes, everything in this pouch. One more thing, they also sent me this brush as well, this foundation brush. You know what, this is an amazing foundation brush. Just look at this brush, it's really good. Just look at the packaging, and the shape is like really fine. It is good for blending your foundation, tap 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 tap. But I haven't used this for my foundation, but I have used that sponge. But this one is really good. I highly recommend this one. Just look at the brush quality, is really good, and it's quite heavy. It is very luxurious. It comes in this packaging. Highly recommend this one. Just look at the packaging, it's really good. So I also recommend this one. You can definitely check this one as well if you need something special. Same palette I'm gonna use for my contouring. And to blend this cream contour, I'm gonna use this brush. This is quite stiff, and yeah, it looks like, and the handle is very sturdy. You can also check this one, it's really good. Okay, it just blends everything really well. Nice, I like it. You can definitely apply your cream and powder blush with this one as well. What I'm gonna do next, okay, so it is done, and I'm loving the way how these brushes blend everything. It's good. I use this cream blusher from Rico Cosmetics. Next, for my powder, I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush, and I'm gonna apply my Oriflame compact powder with this one. Let's see how it picks up the this powder. Picks the powder really well. You can see it is now mattified. Nice. So my this eye is half done, so now I'm gonna use this palette. This is from the brand Swiss Beauty Professional Eyeshadow Palette. I'm gonna use all the gesso brushes today to create this eye look. Okay, so what first I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this fluffy brush. I'm gonna take white shade from this palette to just set my eyelid. I'm gonna use this shade to set my entire eyelid. These brushes pick up the colors really well, so the brush quality is really good, so you can definitely check this one. If you need some professional eye makeup brushes, these are really good. I really like it. So this is done. Next, I'm gonna use this color, like this color and this one. Okay, I'm gonna apply these colors right over here. And on my outer V. Just gonna buff these. And flick it out. Next, I'm gonna use this color. Gonna apply right here. Orange red shimmery color with satin finish, going above to and going above on my crease area and on my crease line. Next, I'm gonna use these two colors, going to apply it right here. And next, I'm gonna use this black color on my outer V. Next, I'm going to take this more denser brush, going to take the black shade and tap it right over here. I'm not going to take this color right above my crease, just blend it right here on your outer V. Just blend it. These brushes are really good. I highly recommend these brushes. From here, I'm gonna take it right above the crease. And smudge this one. Okay, so this is done. Now I'm gonna use this gray color on my under eyes. First I'm gonna tap the color and now blend it. Now it's done. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna use this brown kajal on my waterline, and this is from the brand Bella Boste. Okay. Next, for my tear dot and for my eyebrow bone, I'm gonna use this color again. So next I'm gonna use this palette. I'm gonna use this glitter. This is the Mars the palette. Okay, so I'm gonna use little bit of these glitters. Eyelid, like over here only. Just look at this glitter, that is really good. Move on to the face makeup, and for my face makeup I'm gonna use this palette. This is the Shrayon Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna use this bronzer and these translucent powders. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush, this little bit dense brush. I'm gonna use this shade, like this one. I'm just gonna remove all the fallout if I have. So next I'm gonna use this V-Face bronzer from Mars Cosmetics. I'm gonna use this dense brush. Okay, I need some more bronzer over here, so that is why I'm gonna use this shade, and it's very pigmented, so you have to be very light hand. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this much amount. See, it's very pigmented, so you have to be very light and just blend immediately, so you will not get any kind of patches. Okay, I love to do heavy bronzing. If you are not a heavy bronzer person, you can definitely use the colors according to your own preference, but I love to use heavy bronzers because it just intensify my makeup. It looks flawless, so that is why I always like to use heavy bronzers. And can't ignore my white hairs because I'm gonna dye them soon. Okay, so what next I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut my face little bit to give more its sharpened look. I'm gonna use same colors. It's time for the blush part. I'm gonna use these two colors. First I'm gonna use the lightest color, like this one. This is kind of a peachy undertone, and this is more towards the pink side. Okay, this is a little bit peachy and pink, and this is the more brighter pink color. Okay, so I'm gonna use the same brush, just starting from the temples of my face, like from here, coming towards the downward direction, like here. I'm gonna use this bigger fluffy brush. I'm gonna use these two highlighters. So highlighter is done. So now let's move on to lipstick. First I'm gonna use this N by Bay lipstick in the shade number Hugs and Mugs. And next I'm gonna use this lipstick from Color Bar, and this is in the shade number 24 Unspeakable, and this is a little bit a darker color. Next I'm gonna use this color, like little bit, not that much. Lastly, I'm gonna use this lip gloss from Mars Cosmetics. And last but not the least, I'm gonna use this toner as my makeup fixer. So this is the final finished look. I just love everything about this makeup look. Let me know what your thoughts are about this makeup look. This makeup look is like very stunning and gorgeous. You can definitely pair up the colors with your own thoughts and own imagination, with your own dress combination. So that is why I just love this makeup look so much. You can definitely switch up the colors. The middle color you can definitely switch it up, and you can definitely switch up the colors like lipstick colors according to your own preference. But this makeup look is stunning and gorgeous. And if you like this makeup look, let me know in the comment box. And if you want me to create more stunning and gorgeous makeup looks, let me know. Okay, I just love this makeup look so much. Make sure to like, subscribe and share. Till then, take care.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking.